Hello everyone, recently, I've purchased a router for myself. So, I thought it'll be better, if I make a review video of it. This is AC1200 dual band wireless router from mercusys. Wi-Fi range of my old router wasn't that much good. So, I've replaced my old router with this one. My old router was also from mercusys. This router supports wireless standards like 802.11a, n, and AC at 5 GHz, and 802.11b, g, and n at 2.4 GHz. AC12 delivers a blazing fast Wi-Fi speed of up to 1200 Mbps, which is 3 times faster than the speed of the previous 802.11n standard. In fact, 802.11 acres uses the 5 GHz band, while 802.11n uses 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. AC12 lets your home devices achieve their optimal Wi-Fi performance. It is the superior choice for providing faster, stronger Wi-Fi over your home or office. The 5 GHz band can reach up to 867 Mbps. So, you can game online and stream in HD simultaneously. Both bands work at the same time to meet the needs of multiple tasks on different devices. Anyway, without further talking, let's unbox the router, and see what else comes with it. Packaging wasn't bad, and the router is quite big. There are some user manual, a LAN cable, and an adapter given with the router. The power adapter delivers 9 volts, and 850 milliamperes of current. This adapter can take input voltage from 100 to 240 volts AC. Four external 5 dBi antennas powered with advanced antenna technology provide users with larger wireless coverage and better data transmission rate. The design of the router is quite impressive. It's little bit big, but it's not that much heavy. Moreover, there are holes given for ventilation under the router. So, I don't think we'll face any temperature issue in future. On the front, there are 4 status LED lights given. And on the back side, there are 3 LAN, and 1 port given. There is also a WPS button given, which also can be used to reset the router. Anyway, for daily or other official uses, this router is just perfect. Overall quality of this router is perfect. Data transmission rate is impressive, and I think it's more than enough for me. That's all for now, thank you for watching. Stay innovative.